10 things FSM citizens need to know about our rights in the US. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Kamo Rale. Today we'll be talking about something very important to our migration communities here in the United States. Our rights as citizens of the FSM, or the Federation of Micronesia, under the Compact of Free Association, also known as COFA, will clear up some big questions about how immigration policies like deportation orders don't affect us and why we can feel secure living and working here. Alright? You ready? Let's do it. Question number 1. So first off, what is the Compact of Free Association, or COFA? How does it define the legal status of FSM citizens in the US? Here's the deal. COFA is an agreement between the US and 3 Pacific nations, including FSM. It gives FSM citizens the unique right to live, work, and study in the US without needing a visa, no green card or immigration status. Our presence here is based on an international treaty, not regular immigration laws. Pretty impressive, right? Question number 2. Can FSM citizens be called immigrants? Nope, not really. FSM citizens are not classified as immigrants under US immigration law. Thank you.